Guys, today we're going to be doing a full quick weave on my model and client who suffers from alopecia for medical reasons, but we're going to beautify her in no time. So for my quick weaves, we always start out with the molding process. I totally forgot to start the camera, and so there is a picture-in-picture which includes my molding process, and you can always go back to my previous video to catch the full detail. But we're going to start out by using the Tara 246 hair. I use this hair in place of the normal 27 piece hair. I prefer this hair because 27 piece hair is very thin, and this hair is thicker, and I just feel like it's a better quality. So this is what I typically suggest my clients to purchase when we're doing these types of styles. As I'm laying the tracks, you guys will notice that I will follow along the perimeter in a curvature type of motion. And what I'm doing is just following the natural curve of the head when I'm laying the tracks around the bottom and the perimeter of the head. This just gives the quick weave more of a natural flow, and it lays much better along the neck and the sides. And you guys will notice here along the sides, we just follow the curve, as I said before, and the natural shape of the head going from side to side. And I'll do that until I get about midways on the head, and then we can take the tracks straight across. If you guys have been watching me before, you know that my model is always willing to come on the screen and be bold and brave and show you guys different styling options if you are suffering from hair loss or alopecia. So I will ask you again to please be kind in the comments. If you don't like something that you're viewing, we're going to ask that you click off and just find another video. Women who deal with hair loss already are dealing with a lot emotionally, having to face the fact that they have lost their hair. So I always applaud my model because, again, she's always willing to come on the camera and be brave for you guys and show you options at home. Or if you like to come into the salon, again, I've mentioned before that my setting is private. It is a one-on-one visit. So you don't have to worry about the judgments or other people giving you awkward stares. But here at the top, I'm sorry I talked right past it, we are using Saga Remy Gold hair. And for the top or the bang portion and the side, we're curving these tracks around, and we're going to make a horseshoe shape at the top. And then I'll show you guys here at the top that horseshoe shape, and we're just going to keep filling that shape in until we get to the section where we're closing in the quick weave. And today we're going to actually do something different. When we close in the quick weave, I'm going to use a piece of a lace closure, and you guys will see that coming up. We just wanted to try something a little different, and I really like the outcome. So here's the piece of the lace closure. We just took a normal 4x4 lace closure and we cut off a piece of it, and we're going to use that to make a natural parting here at the top, and I'm just going to glue around the perimeter of it and place that there up top. And then look how natural that looks. So when she bends down or someone's, you know, can see the top of her head, it looks really, really natural. And of course, along the perimeter and sides, I'll do the razoring technique just to make it lay a little smoother on the neck. Then I go around. Here we're just gonna go from one side to the mid back, holding the hair out at a 90-degree angle and just cutting. And here along the sides and the back, I'm just kind of customizing this style, giving more of a natural and feminine flow to the neck and the sidelines. A lot of my clients don't like the blunt cut along their sides, so I always like to go in and give them more of a custom cut. Okay, and here in the front, we just decide what length they like their bang. Of course, my model always loves her heavy bang kind of flowing to one side and hanging a little bit over her eye. So that's normally what we do for her. If I have clients that don't like such a heavy bang, then we of course go a little bit shorter. But this is the model who again has been brave and doesn't mind coming before the camera. There are a lot of clients who don't want to be filmed, or they don't mind taking a picture after the fact, and I of course respect that. Some clients do like to leave their sides flat, and it looks very good flat. But for her, we're going to add a little bit more detailing today. We're going to go in with our Marcel curling iron and add some texture and curls to her sides. Of course, that is totally optional. Being flat is also a good look, but again, for her, we're going to add some texture and a few curls today. And of course, here you'll see me alternate between the Marcel iron and a ceramic flat iron. So it's a little old school mixed with new school. On this side, we're just adding a feathered layered look, and I really like how it's coming together. I do want to encourage you guys, if you are a student and you're fresh out of hair school, keep in mind that that alopecia is something that is taken it should be taken very seriously. We have a lot of women that deals with hair loss in silence, and they actually come in tears of joy because they're excited. They finally found a place where they could feel comfortable, get their hair done without any embarrassments or prejudgments. So if you're a hair student, think about getting some, a private suite or somewhere where you can actually care and cater to the needs. If you are at home and you're dealing with hair loss and you're just not ready to step out yet and be seen by anyone, again, I totally understand that. And that's why we bring these types of videos, not just for professional hairstylists, but also at home, to just give you some ideas. You may not be able to do everything that you see done here, but at least you have different style options and ideas that you can go off of. I'm just going to let you guys kind of watch the rest of the video. I do appreciate you guys sticking with me and following along. If you have not set your notifications, please go ahead and do so you never miss a video. And here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and turn your notifications on. See you next time.